Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna make unbelievable, super fantastic, insanely tasty, healthy summer salad. Okay, but first, as usual, I would like to present a collection of all ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious salad. Amigos! Extremely delicious, super healthy salad just landed in my hands. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very, very much. And that is my breakfast today. What a beautiful day. Sun is shining, good food. Only wine is missing. But later, I will arrange something for sure.